Ulampang jong yang dorbar tauan ke jela Thomas E Sangma. Ha kesing palai jong katayo lalu me kejingelang jong ke high powered committee na kebentaban ai jing Mynjur ya ka design bathymmai jong ke dom. Bat ban bahak pisah syok-syok na kebenta ka jingte ya ke yang dorbar tauan bathymmai ke badan ha mau diang-diang. Ha kene kejingelang jong ke high power committee ke belalum do Ulampang Thomas E Sangma. Lawan Banishim Benta do Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma usumbut Lampang Timothy di Shirak MLA ke bekentup uba Charles Pengrop uba Lakman Rumbui bar uba Bantai Dor Lengdo balai don lang Chief Secretary Kejelau uba DP Walang Commissioner bat Secretary Jong ke yang dorbar tauan Kejelau Meghalaya Dr. Andrew Simons bat kiwe-kiwe Hair Officer. Hadin belawai ke jingelang ulampang ula pentip bagi jinglum ke jingelang kadai nak kebenta ban ajing Mynjur ke design ke bathymmai jong ke dom ban ajing Mynjur ke bahak tengka hadin bakaladon ke jingkiu ha ke jing pentere ya ke kam ulong ba ya kene ke design ke bathymmai ladat ban bishar benia da ke IIT Roorkee bat ke IIT Guwahati ban menta ke jingte ya ke building kan ya no syakmat Uli itu bahadian ke jing rakyat ya ke it, on sesedang no ke jing terekam ke Bapura ha ke bantai ya ke yang dorbar tauan, bat ke high power committee kelatung ya ke program monitoring committee, kat gum ke jing syam jong ke IIT Guwahati, ha ke kaipot lor ke jing kalem jong ke dom jong ke yang dorbar tauan. Utama sesangma uli itu ru beladap benbetha ya ke tenat PWD bat ke PMC, bakin kemi benia ya ke benta baar jong ke jing te ya ke building jong ke yang dorbar tauan.
High Power Committee meeting, we decide on since we have got the approval from the approval vetted by Guwahati IIT, which was earlier approved by IIT Roorkee. So now the design structure has been approved by both the premier IITs. So the work can resume now. So the HPC sat down to approve, give the administrative approval, and also there were some financial approvals also were required because since the scope of work has also been increased. So these are the few things that we have made decisions, and we have also complied with all the observations made by Guwahati IIT upon the collapse of the dome. So certain observations were made by the kind of who had also examined the and tried to find out the reasons for the collapse of the dome. So we have complied with all their observations. Now we have appointed also, we will be appointing a PMC, Program Monitoring Committee. So that's also been done as required, as observed by the Guwahati IIT.